Welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities, the remote, as well as the work from office jobs for the freshers as well as for the experience. So first is for the Apps Logic company is hiring for ETL testers. So they are hiring for someone with an experience of 3+ years. Location is remote and notice period is 0 to 15 days. And key skills required are ETL testing, SQL, and Agile. You can share your resume at this email address. Then Sisha Infotech is hiring for QA freshers. Location is Mohali, and this is the email address where you need to apply. Then there is a requirement for 10 QA testers for an offshore role in India. It's a remote job work from home on a 1 year renewable contract, and the salary would be 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum, dependent on skills, current salary. Minimum 2 years of experience in business analyst and UAT, preference for experience in the banking insurance domain, and ability to work according to the Singapore time zone. And this is the email address wherein you need to apply. Capgemini company is hiring for below positions, ETL testing, 4 to 9 years of experience, performance testing, and Tosca automation testing. So you can share your CV at this email address. So this is the email address wherein you can share your candidature, your profile, and you also have to mention the following details like total and relevant experience, current CTC, expected CTC, notice period, and then there is a requirement for senior QA automation with 6 to 8 years of experience. Location is Hyderabad, and this is the email address. Two positions are open for freshers for up to 1 year of experience. So 0 to 1 years of experience, and the skill set is manual testing, basic automation. Location is Noida, work from office. This is the referral email address. Infosys is hiring for automation QA testing. Selenium, APM with Java, C Sharp, Playwright. Minimum 3+ years of experience. If interested, you can share your profile to this email address. Then there is a requirement for manual testers. It's a remote job. Experience is 1+ year. So if you're having more than 2 years, then you don't need to apply. And you can share your resume at this email address. Virtusa is hiring for QA automation testers, 5+ years of experience, Java, Selenium, BDD, Cucumber, REST Assured, API testing. Location is Bangalore, Hyderabad. So you can share your CV at this email address, right? So these are a few of the job openings for the testers, for freshers as well as for experience. And we came across the job opportunities which were looking for remote jobs as well, right? So these are the opportunities. Apart from this, there is one more opportunity. So let me share the details. Right. So this is the company, okay, which is hiring for QA engineer. Experience required is 1 to 3 years, and they are looking for someone who is having experience in the testing. It's a initial level of experience, 1 to 3 years, and these are the benefits that you can get in this company. Here is the email address wherein you can apply, and this is the website. So these are few of the job openings for the testers. So you can apply for these job openings today itself, and let us know if any other details you need. Also, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe our channel, because this all information is shared absolutely free of cost with you. We're not charging anything. So request you to like, share, and subscribe our channel. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.